Okay, with the dress already pinned, because I got it all pinned, so the darts, everything's all pinned, so we're gonna put it on my brother's sewing machine and just kind of line it up. So there's like a little line that I made right there that you want to follow. You gotta start sewing right here, go all the way down. Start here, back stitch. Go all the way down, go right here, and then back stitch. So let's see if this works and everything is all good. Then I have my tension on 6, because the fabric's kind of thin. So I had to kind of mess around with the tension just a little bit, just to see if it will work. So we just kind of, because the fabric's just a little thin, so I'm bringing it in a little bit. Okay, back stitch just a little bit, and then go right down the little line that I have right here on here that I made when I did the pattern. I'm not a fast sewer because sometimes the thread messes up when you do that on this thin fabric, so let's see if it's working. It looks pretty good, like it wants to go. So sometimes like the pins get caught, just unpin them, drop them in your little box and keep on going. Like that one, wants to get caught, take it, drop it in the box. Sometimes that happens to me, sometimes it doesn't. Almost done, and then I'm gonna back stitch right about here. I'm gonna back stitch. So on the brother, it's just this little one right here. You just pinch it like about 3, bring it back. Roll your needle up, pop it up, you're all good. And then right here on, you rip the thread, and you're all good. Then I just kind of take the pins out, throw them in there, then it's already sewn. So I'm just gonna do the other side. When, see, comes out like that. It's where you want it. And then once you get done, I'm gonna sew the other side, hold it up like this. So what you wanna do is I'm gonna go to the iron when I get done with both of them. And then you just kind of iron them down like this, the pattern says, once you get done. And that's it. Then I just gotta do this side over here. This one, as you can see, I pinned it wrong. So we're gonna go from the wide side to the narrow side, because who ain't unpinning this is me. So you just kind of take it, put it right on under there. There we go. And don't worry about making mistakes. That's what the seam ripper is for. So you just go down. And then I'm gonna do a back stitch. Bring it back forward. Again, I'm holding my material because it's super thin. And what I noticed is it is not tracking good. Okay, so I'm gonna just take that pin out because it looks like it wants to get caught up in the sewing machine. Again, I'm still going right. And then come to the other pin. Nope, you're coming out. When I sew on thicker material like jeans and stuff, I never have to pull the pin out. Every time I sew on this little thin fabric, I gotta pull that pin out. Okay, we're coming closer. Now this one didn't catch it off, so we're good. That one looks like it wants to catch. Just pull it right on out, throw it on in there. Okay, Still bringing it down. Okay, I'm about to back stitch right about now. Oh, see, something caught. You guys heard that? Something caught. Let's see. Let's bring it back up. Oh, hold on. Let's see what caught. Bring the needle up. Something caught. Okay, so it looks like the thread broke. See, you guys? So the thread broke right in there. One of them broke. So it's no biggie. Just like cut it. So the bobbin didn't break. Yes, the bobbin broke. So this is the top one, and this is the bobbin. So it broke here. Don't know how that happened. It's no biggie though, so just cut it so it's neat. I'm gonna go back over here, cut it, because we just don't know what made it do that. Go back over here. Okay. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, because we did have some breakage happen like right here on the thread. So again, I'm just gonna come back in, get rid of that pin. It's already closed. Okay. And then line the needle up with the material where it was. Then put your presser foot down. Right there. Okay, so then put in a couple of threads. Okay, so you guys see it? So something is going on. Okay, let's go back up. Something is caught. So what I'm gonna do is try to figure out what was caught. Clueless to what was caught, you guys, but it looks like it's caught down in my bobbin. And sometimes that happens when I sew on the end and I have thin material. So it's like, it's down there. Boop, just like cut it. Yep, y'all, it's down there. Okay, so I just kind of moved the wheel back and forth to loosen it up, and we got it out. Okay, it's still sewed and everything. I just wanted to back stitch it right here. And I'm thinking because I'm at the end of the material and the material is thin, it's just not staying up here because I think the material needs to be here. It's going down in the little hole where the bobbin is. So what I'm gonna do is I might go in with my hand and sew just a little bit right there because I don't want the thread to come out once I finish my dress. On this side, it's going to be fine because you're going to put the sides on and everything. So yeah, we make mistakes. You just go ahead and fix them. So right now, so I'm not on here for so long, I'm going to go ahead and put the machine back together. Then I'm going to take my hand and just sew it right here. See, like right there, I'm going to sew it with my hand. So it'll be like a little back stitch. I'm going to sew right on top of the thread that the sewing machine did. Okay, I'll come back to you guys when I finish. Bye.